In the masquerade realm, within Enugu State, we have some sets of masquerades. There are masquerades who fall within legislative category. And there are such masquerades like Okochina Tangene, Iyabok, Abara, Ubutogala, Ishina Saturn. These masquerades, you listen to them talk. They do that by what we call minstrels. They call it Ibav, Ibuiko, and all that. When they are talking, though in a very melodious process, but they tell you about the world. They legislate about things you shouldn't do and all that. There are also masquerades that belong to the executive. Bam, 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 and abala gamba. When those ones come, the spiritual contribution, the emotion, and the collective emotion of the youth, they will use that force, build markets, construct the roads, fell trees. Those groups like Ega are the masquerades that fall within the executive. There is a magistrate that is on judicial process. In the night, Achopo or Mabu, those ones make pronouncements and they must be obeyed during the day by all Igbo communities. While the white man came, he wrestled all these powers from the masquerades, gave it to the executive, legislative, and the judicial, leaving masquerade with only one, which is entertainment. The concept of Ijele masquerade shows the mighty nature of the Igbo man. The Ijele masquerade is like a universe in action. And every concept of development is inscribed on the Ijele. Even the latest technology of computer and the phones are already in the Ijele masquerade. Even white men, black men, pregnant people, even the galaxies. So that the Igbo, the real sense of human existence is represented in the Ijele. And the Ijele represents the highest thing that can happen in a celebration. When the Ijele passes through, no other thing comes. That is one thing that shows you order in Igbo land.